What's good? Y'all already know who it is. It's your boy, Hemi John, back with another video. So today, this is what we're gonna be working on. I got another speaker in. I'm telling you, my brother-in-law, man, he done started something now with these speakers, man. What it is, it's not a sub. It's just a 8. It's a mid speaker, mid-range. You can add an amp to it if you like. And like I was talking to him yesterday, he said, but really, it's just good, clear sound. And I like that, like I said, I like my highs, I like my mids. I'm not too much on bass anymore since the kids, but anyway, this is what we're gonna be working on. I got everything right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and open it up. Again, shout out to my brother-in-law. SKAR audio is really underrated. People a lot of times they always go with the big name brand, and there's nothing wrong with that. Me myself, when I was a teenager, I loved putting in Pioneer CD players and Alpine speakers and stuff like that, and there's nothing wrong with the name brands, which I don't consider SKAR to be off-brand by no means, especially with the quality sound you get from it. But here it is. This is our SKAR Audio 8. Nice speaker. And I'll be putting that in. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna go around here. I already got everything pretty much set up. I mean, I pulled everything apart yesterday, so I didn't have to waste time with the video. So you see, I got everything. I got to go to the other side here, so I wouldn't have to waste time taking all the little stuff apart. But I was just trying to give you guys basically show you what I'm going to be doing. And these are my wires. These were ran for my audio and video for my headrest monitors, which that was on a video I did like a year or two ago. So that's what those wires are for. But anyway, this is what we're going to be doing, what we're going to be getting into. And we just pull this up. Get around here, pull it back up, and I'll get it everything hooked in and hooked up. Make sure you take everything. Like I said, that's about all I'm gonna need. It had a piece of dynamite that they had over the spot from the factory, because again, my car's not fully loaded 300, so it didn't have all the speakers, the 8-speaker system like some of them do. So I'm adding, this will be my 8-speaker actually, because I have another sub under my passenger seat. So this will make it an 8-speaker system. I'm gonna get this thing hooked up, and then I will be letting you guys hear the difference in the sound before and after. So definitely worth investing in one of these, especially if your car does not come with the fully loaded Alpine system or the different systems that these Chrysler 300s offer. So I'll be hollering back at you.